On the 28th of February this month, CPen mining is going to be ending. And for you to be able to qualify to receive your airdrop, you must have completed your KYC and connected your BSC wallet address. If you have not done so, I am going to show you how to do so in this video. All you simply have to do is to pay attention and watch till the end. Now, for those of you that mined Pi network and you got your coins successfully migrated and you've profited from it, similar thing that happened with Pi network is what is about to happen with CPen, because CPen is also a utility token. Its mining is ending on the 20th of February, which is about 2 days from now. The token distribution is going to begin next month, and hence we'll talk about listing. Now, after that token distribution, even though the coin has not been listed yet, trading will begin. In fact, there are a lot of vendors that are available to buy CPen coin immediately distribution begins, just similarly as what happened in the Pi network. That is to tell you that CPen is going to be a massive airdrop. If you have not joined or you have not participated in mining so far, I think it is late right now, because we have just 2 days left for the airdrop to end. And for those of you that participated, this is a call that you should take it serious, especially if you've not completed your KYC or you've not connected your wallet address. Go and do so right now. For the wallet address connection, make sure you have completed your KYC. Because I have done mine, I do not know if they still allow for you to submit your KYC documents right now, but there is no harm in trying. All you can simply do is to open up your CPen, then you go to the hamburger menu or the profile section at the top left of your screen, and then from the menu option you can now select your KYC and see if a slot is available for you to complete your KYC. And if there is a space, then you can go ahead and fill in your details and submit your KYC. After doing so, you still go back to that menu button or that hamburger menu button, and then you open it up and scroll up. Then you locate the wallet connection section. Once you click on it to open, you are going to see a box like this that is displaying that you should connect your BSC wallet address. What it simply means is that you should connect your BNB address, that is your Binance address. But do not make the mistake of going into your Binance app to copy your wallet address. No, don't copy from any centralized exchanges like Binance, BitGet, Bybit, OKX, and the likes. What they require you to connect is your Web3 wallet or an EVM wallet. To avoid putting yourself in a complex situation, I'm going to advise you go into your Play Store right now and download MetaMask. If you do not have a wallet already, you create a wallet. But if you have a wallet, you do not need to create a new one. You can simply use the wallet that you have on it. And all you simply have to do is to open up your MetaMask. Then you copy any wallet address that you are seeing inside your MetaMask and connect. The reason for this is normally they ask you to connect your BSC wallet address, but when you open your MetaMask, all addresses that are there are aligned. It doesn't matter whether it is Ethereum, whether it is Ton, any coin at all, the addresses are the same. This is why we call it an EVM compatible wallet. You can make more researches on EVM and how it works, but basically just open up your MetaMask, copy the wallet address, and go and paste it there and do the connection. For those of you that don't use your MetaMask, you can also go ahead and use your Trust wallet. But this time around, you simply open up your Trust wallet, you create an account if you do not have already, and then you look for your BNB wallet address. Make sure the BNB is on BSC BEP20 network, because there might be many or different types of BNB on it. So make sure you are locating the right one. And also, if you want to take it a step further, you can use your OKX Web3 wallet or your Binance Web3 wallet or your Bybit or BitGet Web3 wallet. Note, I'm not talking about BitGet or Binance Exchange. They have a Web3 wallet that is similar to MetaMask and Trust wallet. For those of you that understand, you know what I'm talking about. So you go in there and copy your BNB wallet address from there. But if you are not familiar with this concept, I'll advise you strictly stick with MetaMask. I'm also going to be dropping more videos on this CPen as update keeps coming, especially how to sell, how to trade, and every other necessary information concerning it. And you will not get that information if you are not subscribed to this channel or following me. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload a new video. And if you want to stay in touch, especially with airdrop updates that I do drop, airdrops that are paying, you can consider joining my Telegram channel by checking the link in the description box of this video. You join my Telegram channel and then you stay informed. And that is basically it.